The internet and globalization have led to the globalization of sports and sport betting. At any point in time, there are thousands of bets available. Bets can be placed on different sports, different events in those sports, or even placed live while the competition is taking place. As the betting market gets bigger, more global and more complex, so does betting-related competition manipulation. Imagine if athletes and officials were allowed to bet. How tempting would it be for them to alter how they perform? There is so much money involved that some malicious people even try to lure athletes, coaches, and referees into competition manipulation. You are not allowed to disclose inside information, team tactics, injuries, or other information about yourself, your team, or your opponents. This inside information could be used for betting purposes. Make the right decision. Don't bet on your sport. Don't fix and always do your best. Don't share inside information, and always report.